Hello guys, I wanted to give you a quick run round this new Ford Transit camper van that we've just completed. We've done the pop top, done every single thing on here apart from the floor and a couple of other things, but I wanted to give you a quick overview of exactly what we can offer you for the Ford Transit and why you should choose us. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so on the Ford Transit Custom, we've got the Drive Lodge roof. It comes with a 5-year warranty, very breathable canvas as well, hard wearing, it's not going to get damaged. So it's a very good canvas to be using on the roof. On the inside, we've then completed this full conversion. The customer's just having some new bedboards designed, so we've not fitted them just yet, but on standard they would come with bedboards, and it also comes with the RIB 112 centimeter bed. On the inside we've got the custom furniture. Obviously the customer does like orange, as you can tell. With the Dometic CRX 50 fridge, we've also fitted a diesel heater underslung, so the actual heater is underneath the van, the heat comes out underneath the seat here. And you can see there's loads of room in this van now because it's got the pop top. And what I really like about the Drive Lodge roof is that it gives you this big shelf area here. So there's loads of room to keep phones, iPads, whatever, bedding, whatever you need to do. When you've got the van being used, it's really comfortable up here to use it. We've got the stalk light as well here. So on the Drive Lodge roof on the Ford Transit, we've got 3 windows as standard. One is the front plastic window and then 2 mesh windows on either side as well. It also comes with 2 lights in the actual roof, as you can see here. So if we pull the bed down like this, you can see there's a large space up here for people to sleep in, and there's also the light up there as well. So it's very easy to actually elevate the roof. Just literally give a little push up like that on the gas struts, so they elevate the roof out the way, and that's it. So on the inside we've also got our full power management system. So this controls all the power to the van. Diesel heater controller, 2 240 volt sockets. We've got 2 USB socket points and an auto socket point here as well. Just underneath here we've got the sink and the double burner, and then the custom opted for curtains on this. Now one thing I really like about this conversion, these units, is they've got a strip light here, just like that touch, if I can get it. But what's even better about it is this is a dimmer as well, so you can actually dim down the lights if you want it to be not so bright at night, and do it back up again. So I really like that. Very easy and very sleek as well. There's lots of storage in these units. We've got our electrics down here, as we always do. Storage pockets here, storage behind here. There's just storage everywhere. So this is a really practical camper van. And then we finished it off with the RIB 112 bed, which is, in my opinion, one of the best beds you can have in a camper van. And if you want to learn more about why you should have a RIB bed in particular, then you should watch the next video, which I'll link in the description below, and you'll be able to see the reasons why you should have a RIB bed and not a rock and roll bed. We've just moved around to the back to finish off the video. We've got lots of storage space here. We're using the RIB bed as a parcel shelf, as I explained. Lots of space there, and we've got some more storage space at the back. But you can see now, lots of movable space inside. And also we've got a solar panel on top as well, so it's nice and sleek, so the customer's going to have power at all times. They've not got to worry about running out of power when they're on a campsite and they're not hooked up. So guys, if you are interested in having something like this fitted to your van, if you want a pop top, you want a diesel heater, anything like that, please do drop me a message. Go onto our website, cosmiccampervans.com, or our socials, whatever. Comment on the video below if you'd like to. We're able to do full conversions on all vehicles like the Ford Transit, Renault Trafic, VW Transporter, and we have very good prices and quick turnaround times with a great quality of after sales service. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.